cracker one, please. Alright. All set.
Ball.
Feet down. Thank you. You got your crackers right here. You got your crackers. Give me a kiss. So, Mama is here. Clock it. I am here by myself, solo dolo, going to enjoy, today's sermon. So, after church, I don't know, what am I doing? I think I have to go to the grocery store and pick up a few items for dinner tonight. I don't know what I'm making, some sort of meat and vegetables, and I have some sweet potatoes in the fridge that I need to cook before they go bad. So I'm sure I'm going to make sweet potatoes with whatever I make tonight. Yeah, so of course, please, the elephant in the room is the hair. Get into the hair, child. The hair is everything today. I went to, of course, my favorite hairdresser, of course, Jasmine, and I will put her information somewhere here on the screen. But I always talk about her in my vlogs. But yes, she did her big one. She did her big one with my hair. I went a couple of days ago, I think, and it is just flowing. The hair, the color, it's everything. But yeah, what was I going to say? I lost my train of thought. Yes. So I went and got my hair done a couple of days ago. If you follow me on Instagram, I did like a reel, like a hair vlog reel of my experience. So if you haven't seen it already, make sure you're following me on Instagram and hop on over there and check that out. But you'll be able to see the full experience of me getting my hair done. But anyway, I'm at church. I pulled up. Hubby is home with the girls. Love that for me. I got a little bit of me time. Dilly daddle with me today. First, we're going to serve the Lord, and then we're going to diddle daddle. And if you're wondering, I'm early, which is trust me, it's a rarity, but I have been praying on that, and I'm getting better with that. So church starts, I think, at like 12 or 12:15, but I'm pretty sure 12. So I pulled up at like 11:30, so I'm early. So I finished, I put like the final touches on my makeup and stuff. And honestly, I'm not even wearing any makeup. I'm wearing just some a lip combo, and then I put my little gel on my eyebrows, and that's it. I'm not wearing any foundation, nothing. I'm only wearing like SPF cream or whatever. That's it. I don't know, I just didn't feel like it. So I have on these glasses, like these shades, but they're like super like light. As you can see, they're almost like regular glasses with a really light blue tint to them. So I can wear them inside. So that is a hack. If you don't feel like wearing makeup, or especially if you don't feel like putting on lashes, put on like some really cute shades that are super light as far as like the tint, that you can wear them inside. That's a little tip, little hack from me to you. And then you look cute as I don't know what, but nobody really knows or can notice that you don't have on any makeup. I love that. On here, I haven't really talked to you guys, like really actually sat down and talked with you guys in such a long time. So why not take advantage of this moment, this rarity where I don't have hubby with me, I don't have the kids with me, and I'm early? Stop it. That never happened. So I might as well sit here and just chit chat with you guys while I sip on my Pellegrino and wait for church service to start. But let me catch you up on what is tea, what I have been up to lately, because like I said, I haven't really sat down and like chit chatted with you guys in a while. Tuesday of this week in the morning, I have my first mom group that starts of this semester. So I'm super excited about that. And if I haven't mentioned before, I'm a host of a mom group through my church, and basically it's stay-at-home moms who have children, I guess like 3 and under, where they're not in school yet. And we come together and we just, pray and talk about just mom stuff, women stuff. We encourage one another, uplift one another. We give advice and mom hacks and, all the things while our kids are playing. So it's a safe space for us to come and just relax and unload and just, connect with one another. Yes. So I am in charge of that this semester, and that starts this Tuesday. So I am super excited about that. And the girls are starting their ballet. They are starting ballet for the first time the same day, but it'll be later on that evening. So my thing is at 10, like around 10 to 12. And then, of course, I'll give the girls lunch and then put them down for a nap and all that. But then later that evening at 5, the girls start ballet. Child, I am so excited. I am so excited. They're going to look so cute. I already ordered their outfit. They have to wear the little tutu. They have to wear their hair up. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I am so excited. So I'm just waiting for that. I cannot wait to show you guys and bring you along for that. But yeah, so that will be going on every Tuesday until I believe September or August. So it's quite a long time. And honestly, I didn't realize that it was going to be that long. But I guess for, in the long run, it's a good idea because the girls aren't in daycare or anything. So that'll be nice for them to have a little bit of structure every week. And it's not mommy and me. That's like the biggest plus, because I don't know if you guys remember, but a few months back, we were doing gymnastics with the girls, and that was mommy and me. And basically that was like us having a workout. Like we were running after them. Of course there was an instructor and all of that. And we were at the gymnasium, with all the beams and all the things, but it was still mommy and me, which is basically us running after them, making sure that they're, doing all of the exercises that they're supposed to do. So, child, I am so happy to just sit back and relax with my camera and watch my girls run around this class in their tutus with their instructor. I am like elated. And it's kind of like, the inner child in me also celebrating this. I'm kind of like living through them in this experience because I never got to do that as a child. And of course, I always wanted to do that. But my mom, she couldn't really afford it. My parents just couldn't afford it at the time. So I am just elated and blessed. So thankful to God. I'm so thankful to hubby for making this happen. So I'm so excited. And the fact that it is going to go all year long I'm also excited about that too, because it just, it gives us something else to include in our routine throughout the week. So yes, so that starts Tuesday. What else? It is fall, so I started pulling out some of my fall decor. So yesterday I was at Walmart and I just picked up a few things to put on the front porch. And then also, of course, I'm going to shop my house. I have a ton of fall decor already in my storage, so I'm going to go through that and start decorating the house and just putting all that stuff up. I love to do that, so I can't wait to bring you guys along with that. And what else? Just all the things. I'm excited about fall season, like all of the little fall festivals and all of the pumpkin patches and just all the things. Pumpkin pie, they have the pumpkin spice lattes, pumpkin donuts, all the things that fall brings. The fall candles, the fall clothes, the fall boots. I'm excited. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I've just been momming, I've been wifing, I've just been doing all the things. But now that summer is over, I feel like I can kind of get back to me. I can kind of get back into the swing of things as far as just me, you know, getting my hair done again. You know, all summer long I was swimming and going to the pool and the beach and, you know, all of that. So now I could just get back to pouring into my personal cup. I'm gonna get back into working out, child. Don't even get me started on that. But anyway, I've rambled enough. It is actually 11:58, so I'm about to go on into church, and I will talk to you guys when I get to my next stop. Okay? Bye. See you today. I'm here for it. Thank you. Good morning. No, thank you. Service was amazing as always. So now I am headed to the grocery store and then home. All right. Oh, I don't know if I showed you my outfit of the day. I don't know if you can see it, but I am just wearing like a baby doll dress and a white tee and some shades and some sneakers basically. Yeah, but it's so cozy. You've seen me in this dress before. I got my little pockets, my little bluey. Yeah, that's it. Bye.